Hello everybody. Today we're going to be looking at the LEGO Ninjago Firestone Mech. It is set 71720 and has 968 pieces. It is recommended for ages 9+. The minifigures included in this set are Hero Cole, Hero Nia, Hero Kai, Mo, and Mert. The back of the box shows some features. In the back of the box, we are able to see that we will have some stud shooters. We will also be able to fit Cole and Kai inside of the area where you put a minifigure inside of this mech. And on the bottom, we can see we'll actually be able to store extra weapons and shields inside of the mech. Now that I've shown you the box of this set, let's start building it. Finished the build, let me show you the minifigures. We have Hero Cole, Mert, Mo, Hero Kai, Hero Nia, and that's the minifigures. And on the back, it actually has a neat feature where you can clip Kai's, right here, you can clip his sword and his shield onto the back, but there is not another one. So for Cole, you'll have to take out his accessories. It is very easy to place a minifigure inside of this. All you have to do is lift up the head, and then you can place in Kai or Cole or any minifigure you want. It's a bit cramped with 2 minifigures, but it does fit. You also get these swords, which it's really hard to get to the floor and bend down to hit one of the villains right here, but you can try. You might be able to get it, but I don't know. And then finally, we have this very, very small mini build to hold this Blade of Deception.